Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I'm just doing a little chatty get ready with me, which I haven't done in quite a while. I should have everything I need up in here, hopefully. Also, it's Memorial Day, so just remember the sacrifice, and I'm getting ready to go. I gotta go to the store and actually get hamburgers and buns and stuff, and lettuce and tomato to take over to my grandma's, and we're gonna have just a little, I think it's just gonna be the four of us having a little Memorial Day thing. Sirius is apparently gonna come on my lap and bother me, so you'll probably see a tail in a minute. And what's bad is he likes to scratch me when he lays on me. I don't know why. When he gets up or he gets frightened by something, he'll just scratch me, which is fun. So you will hear the air. It's a freaking hot day in Alabama. Like, feels like almost 100 degrees. So yeah, that's what we're working with. I haven't primed. I have moisturizing serum, and I do use two primers. I use this one, just a little dab, the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector on my nose. And so we'll go with that just a little. This one's almost empty, but I got like a full size one. This is the travel size one. And seriously, solid. Like, and I just put it on my nose because my nose is literally the only place that gets oily, which is weird because today it was peeling. Like, I had to take my microdermabrasion into the shower because I haven't really done that in a while. Microdermabrade, you know, the Dr. Brandt, which I love because it leaves your skin so smooth, because it was just so peely, and I'm like, why are you so peely? Unless I just got too much sun. I don't know, last week or the week before or something, because I was at the festival last weekend. I don't know. I mean, I rely on like my foundation, or the one I was using, like has SPF in it. And I go in with this is the Japanese Velvet Touch Primer. I told you I was switching, like, because I ran out of my Dr. Brandt eliminating one. Well, I have like 2 or 3 backups, but it's like, you know, I just want to try this one again because I remember loving it, and I still do. Like, it really does, like, not clog my pores. One of the only silicones that doesn't. Well, actually, the only silicone that I know that really irritates my skin is the Smashbox, the original one. Because I used the NYX before that and I never bothered. Else, does it have a silicone one? Like, theirs don't bother me. I'm not gonna think they're the best or whatever. Now, I have this past week switched up foundations just because I was looking at this in here, because this is where it's sat since I bought it during, I think, the last Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, or it might have been the one before that, I don't know, but it was like too dark at the time I bought it, so I never used it. Or I used it once, it might have been the last one, but I got like for $18, I think. But this is the old Shape Tape foundation that you can't even get anymore because they discontinued this one because all the controversy, and then they came out with their found sealer, which I kind of want to try. But this is medium neutral. It's actually not as neutral as it could be. It does want to oxidize just a little bit orange on me. Just a little bit, not bad. And I was like, okay, I have to use this now. I was like, I'm already this shade. You know, I was mixing like MN3 and MN4 in the Physicians Formula, and I'm like, I am like this shade right now. Like, it won't last. And honestly, if they hadn't changed the rules on my apartment's pool, I would probably be way too dark for this right now. They opened it Saturday, right? But she comes around with the stupid little thing, doesn't give us any hint before this pan or nothing. Like, on Friday, the manager, the newer manager, right? I've been here for maybe a year, right? Saying that, like, I mean, last year we did have a problem with just random people coming in and using our pool and leaving. And doing all kinds of crazy crap, too, right? And anyway. But I think there's a better way than this. Like, we're supposed to go Friday. Okay, it's 6:30, like, when she comes around and puts this note on the door, knocks on my door, and I'm like, Like, I'm already in PJs at 6:30. Like, I'm a homebody. I ain't even going out on, like, a Friday night, right? unless there's a concert. Yeah. Yeah, no. So I wasn't even going out. Like, I'd done all my running. Like, I think I went to the store. Yeah, I did go to the store Friday early. And so I was in my PJs by that time, relaxing, because it was a hot freaking day Friday too. And so, like, after getting all like hot outside, I know this doesn't look like it outside, but outside is just a little bit of me. I gotta get dressed, but anyway, I did get the note. Like, I put on pants to put Boo in the room, because whenever they knock on the door, I had to put Boo in the room, like, cautiously, before like I get up and answer it. You definitely don't want him running outside, because that's what started his whole aggression. Anyway, like, he ran outside, something happened. Anyway, so yeah, I put him up. There's a note on my door, and I already got the note. The note said you have to go down and sign, starting today, for a bracelet, like, for yourself. So it's bad, you sign it out and don't save them for next year. They'll be changed, whatever. An armband, right? And we're supposed to keep the armband in the pool. I still ain't gonna do that. Everybody can kiss my tail, because I go to the pool to tan. I hardly ever hop in. Well, I might swim and do a few laps if no one's in there, you know. But mostly I just go to tan, right? And I maybe hop in to cool off real quick, because you can get hot. Yeah, that's about basically what I use the pool for, right? And I swim if I have the kids or whatever. But, you know, swim a little bit, but not like excessively, you know, but whatever. But anyway, I'm not messing up my tan wearing a dang arm bracelet. I'll put it in my bag or whatever, but I'm just like, and now, like, before we were allowed like 2 guests per apartment or 2 guests per person, whatever. I always like brought all the kids anyway. It didn't really matter. Like, when there's a lot of kids or when there weren't. Because sometimes it would just be us. Like, some years it would literally just be me and the kids. So anyway, that, like, we're supposed to take them by the office and sign them out like an armband and return it by that day, or pay $15. And if we don't turn our bracelet in by the end of the season, it's gonna be $15, blah 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 blah. Okay, I get the whole need to, you know, police it better than it was last year, because it just had some crazy things going on in our pool last year. I'm like, why not just put a freaking lock on it and give us all a key? I'm like, and then, you know, hand out your rules no one follows anyway. But I'm like, and that, like, if you violate blah 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 blah. I want them to go down anyway and just, like, you know, whatever. This is C13, which is way too light in the Jeffree Star foundation. I've ordered the C18 because it's the next one like that, so with neutral undertones. I was tempted to go with like C15, which is olive undertones or something like that, tan with olive undertones. This is supposed to be medium with neutral undertones. Let me show you the difference. This is natural beige, right? This is like what I put right there. Okay, it's actually getting close to what my under eye color is going to be soon. This is light beige in the Too Faced, right? That's natural beige. This is light beige. I've been mixing them because that's just really too light now. It was a little too light like last month, but now it's really gotten too light. Or whenever I got it, but good coverage, and I like how it like looks. But I mean, I guess his coloring is kind of like, right? It is medium. C13 is medium, right? Yeah. Or is it light medium? No, it's medium. Because C8 light medium was like ghost. I was like, no. Like, but look how light that is. So I try to mix it with that too. You know? I mean, I gave my sister-in-law the C8 and I got the translucent. Don't, like, it's seriously white brightening. And I'm thinking I'd be more the topaz, but I really don't want to buy another setting powder right now, so I just didn't. But anyway, that whole thing is like, you're only supposed to have 1 guest per apartment, blah, 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 blah. And violators will lose pool privileges. I'm like, I shouldn't even have to watch. Which is sad. I'm like the longest running tenant now, since like the ones that had been here longer have either died or moved finally, after like one moved out last year because he was tired of, I don't know, whatever was going on. Yeah. I don't know, either you don't have narcs or something, I don't know. You don't have armbands or whatever. Hey baby. Please join me now. So I do set this with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. I can't say that word. I'm going to set a little bit. Yeah, I swear one day I had this concealer on and I don't know what was with me last morning. One day I forgot to set whatsoever everything. One day I forgot to prime whatsoever, but I did set, which without that primer my oils really broke through on my nose. But I kind of liked how my nose looked without setting it. Even though oil still broke through a little bit, like it looked pretty good without setting it, and the concealer wasn't too horrible. So I'm going in, this is the Alamore medium tan blush trio, and I'm going to hit Seclusion and a little bit of Isla. That actually shows up darker than it looks. It's like really pretty. And like, you don't need a lot. It shows up a really pretty peachy tone. Just like mixing the two, so like actually use them. I've been loving the Star Island from Ofra. Okay, just make sure you blend it. He's starting to get a little light for me now. That's the Smashbox Primer Water. Oops. I really want to work with some Stila glitters just because to have fun. Okay, it's Memorial Day. Let's have some fun with some glitters. Oh, I think this one, this Burnished Sienna, might win because it's this one. Like, look at that. Oh, make sure you always like prime your eyes enough because last week I kind of split it and did a rush job. You know, me doing my at work. And like by the end of the day, this eye was fine, but this eye didn't get enough, so it was like creasing really bad because I have really oily eyes. The only other part aside from my nose that's oily are my eyelids. Don't even ask me why, they just are. So I hope that's enough on both sides. Fourth big pan over. Okay. I just feel like I don't use this. I brought the magic palette, but I'm like, I'll use that palette actually more than I use this one. So it's like, now let's use this one. So what have y'all been up to? It's just, I don't know. It's been like, I have been inspired, but kind of, yeah, like, I don't know. It's like, I don't know what I want to do, like look wise. I mean, I do makeup every day on myself. I'm like, okay, I do like little halos, you know, cut crease a little bit sometimes at work, you know, things like that. Even on the weekends, just I don't record it because I'm usually always running late somewhere. And I guess just being so busy, like with the GRWM and all these freaking community festivals this month. And all the reports that were due, like, just drained me. That just drains you of all your creative energy. Like, me, this month, me. Like, up in this little red one, like, y'all, and be like powerlifting going on with it up into the crease. Gonna cover most of that with glitter anyway, doesn't matter. I like put this in the corner of my eye. This gold one, this one, Follow the Sun. Yeah, we'll do that. But let's put on this burnt sienna just because it's gorgeous. up in my business, boo. Boo is all up in my business right now. Okay. Unless I'm gonna go with the NYX Lip Tease. This is cherry on top. I think I'll go. I don't even know how to like go crazy on my eye and still go crazy on my lip or fold on my lip. Hey, stop that. Just like you're not paying attention to me. Y'all, I totally forgot mascara. I'm gonna apply this. So, yeah. Well, this is the Essence Waterproof Volume, I think. I don't know, something. And it really is waterproof. Oh, Get Big Lashes Volume Boost. There we go. And I actually like topping this over another mascara from Essence, the pink one that I like. Or not, I think I might be like... Yeah, there we go. So, yeah. I like the look. I've got to go. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.